Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Bigo Live, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Bigo Live and sign in. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap the profile icon at the top right. Again, tap the edit icon at the top right. Now tap your current profile picture and select any option. Select or take your picture and tap Save. And that's how you change profile picture on Bigo Live. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.